JavaScript is flexible, sometimes a little too flexible. Enter TypeScript. It's still JavaScript, just with law and order. You tell your code what values to expect, numbers, text, yes or no, shapes, polka dots, or stripes. In return, it yells at you when you mess up. What a great exchange. Your editor gets smarter. Of course, not as smart as you. Autocomplete stops guessing and starts being useful by suggesting what actually exists. It knows everything. Rename a field, TypeScript lights up every single part of the app that you just broke, so you don't need to run your app to find the issues. Refactoring stops feeling like defusing a bomb. Your editor catches issues as you type, and the browser still gets plain old JavaScript. It never even knows. It doesn't even care. It's far less dramatic than you are. You get the benefit of confidence knowing that your code will work as expected. The trade-off? You have to type a bit more. Poor you. It works with any framework that you use to pretend to code JavaScript with. Teams like it because the intent is obvious. Future you likes it because you finally remember what you meant. If you enjoy mystery bugs at 2 a.m., ignore this. Go literally crazy. Everyone else, rename one file to TypeScript, label one thing, fix one red line, and then do it again, and then again, and then again. TypeScript. Less drama, same broken JavaScript. Like and subscribe, or don't.